Are you having trouble getting Discord to open on your PC? Don't worry. We've got some simple solutions to help you fix this issue, especially with the new update. Let's dive right in. First, try closing the app completely and then reopening it. Sometimes, a quick restart fixes minor glitches. If that doesn't work, consider restarting your device. Here's how. Click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen, then select the power icon. Choose Shutdown from the menu. Wait for about 30 seconds and then turn it back on by pressing the power button. This can refresh your system's processes. Next, try connecting to a different network. From the notifications area on your taskbar, click on the network icon. Switch to another network option. Sometimes the issue is with your current connection. Don't forget to check your internet connection. Again, go to the notifications area and click on the network icon. Make sure that your network status shows a stable connection. If Discord is still not opening, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Press the Windows icon and type Uninstall app. Find Discord in the list. Click on the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm your choice. Once it's uninstalled, visit discord.com/download. Click on Download for Windows, which will redirect you to the Microsoft Store page. From there, click on Install to get the latest version of Discord. With these steps, you should be back to chatting with your friends in no time.